आइडिया तो थोड़ा ठीक है।
Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable remote assistance in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to enable remote assistance in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First you click on start, type here control panel, open control panel, click on categories, after click on system and security, after click on allow remote access. If you want to enable, so check this box. After click on apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable remote assistance in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching.